Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to create a Google Chrome Incognito mode shortcut in a Windows 10 taskbar. I want to Google Chrome Incognito mode shortcut at this taskbar at here. Okay, that is very easy and simple. So let's go to our video. First of all, just go to start and here just type Google Chrome. Just type Google Chrome. Right click on Google Chrome and just click on open file location. Just click on open file location. Okay. Now here we find Google Chrome. Right click on Google Chrome. Just go to the copy. Just copy it. Minimize this. Just go to the desktop. Right click on desktop and just click on the paste. Okay. Now here is our Google Chrome. We want to create it incognito mode. That is very easy. Right click on Google Chrome. Just go to the properties. Here is our properties. Here most I'm beating is target. Just go to the target and just go to the end of the target space. Just press one time space. Okay. Now just type hyphen incognito. Just type incognito. Okay. Just type space, then hyphen incognito, then apply it. Now just click on OK. Before that, just go to the change icon and give the any icon that you like. I just like this icon, so I just click on this icon, click on OK. Now apply it, click on OK. Now here is our Google Chrome Incognito. Now just right click on it. Just go to the pin to taskbar. Just click on pin to taskbar. Okay. Now here is our Google Chrome Incognito mode on our taskbar. Now we can remove this shortcut from our desktop also. Just remove it. Now just go to the here incognito and click on the incognito. And here is our Google Chrome in incognito mode. Okay, so guys, this is the simplest way to create a Google Chrome incognito mode shortcut in a Windows 10 taskbar. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.